Hi guys, today we'll be entering the new Circus update in the dark. Okay, so here we are. Whoa, everything's looking so good. See, there's a Cappuccino monkey, there's Reggie, the Windmaster. Oh my god, there's a new monkey pet. Oh, it's so cute. I'm guilty. All counts, but I had no comments unless I love this costume. When a Cappuccino monkey free toy handcuffs, they'll be sentenced to life. I know Princess wants to be loved, but outfit's too loud. You look like you need my help. Oh gosh. Put these steps in the top. Introducing Doot. Tell me, what's your favorite? Yes, you must be a Cappuccino monkey and be Toot. Ahoy, skeleton. Oh gosh. Oh, I love the new monkey update. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna be unboxing these Cappuccino monkeys until I get like, or at least like maybe I don't know, like enough to make two Cappuccino monkeys into one of those, or I'll get like maybe a tutu or a royal monkey. Well, I really hope I can get one. Okay. Anyway, those are the items you can get up here. Anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, I already like opened one on accident and like already got the sunglasses. Anyway. Oh yeah, let's talk to him. Hello one and all, welcome to the spectacular of the year, the travel Cappuccino. Which way will you choose? Peppy lifestyle filled with moving books, climbs, collect free toys. Ooh. That's a lot of stuff. Remember, we'll be good. Okay, just gotta buy one. Oh, so cute. What is it? Let's go unbox. I really love it. Let's do it again. Okay, toys. That's good. Maybe up here I'll have bad luck. I'll be trying to okay, at least we got like a vehicle and not to wheel. Let's check out these items first. That's cool. Okay, that's nice. Okay, the balloon. Oh, that's nice. What's this do? Is it like a noise or something? Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, so cute. He's smiling. Okay, next one. This one. Whoa, this is nice. I love this cute bungo. Okay, let's go unbox some more gifts. Okay, ready. He did give us luck. I'm probably ready. Okay, I just need one more sunglass. Maybe I'll try outside. Maybe that will help me. I don't know. Okay. Let's go unbox. Okay, let's go unbox it. Oh, we got toy handcuffs. Okay, that's good. Okay, maybe if I go on top of this, like the tent, maybe I'll just get. Okay, there we go. And gosh, I have enough to make a fluffy cappuccino monkey. Yes. Okay. We're gonna give you a glow up. Did you ever see the pipe? They look like they move outside. You wait for the captain to step up. Take it to 0 to hero. What whoa, I did great. Oh my god, look at this. It looks so cute. Okay, wait. One down, one more to go. Yay. Okay. Okay, maybe like I should like try and get like and make it inmate because like I already have a handcuff, so maybe so. Okay, let's keep on boxing. Maybe. Okay, maybe this box. Okay. And here we go. Oh wait, I haven't tried this. Oh, vehicles. Okay, we'll check that out later. Let's just ooh, we have compared that nice. Okay, now let's go check out these vehicles outside. Okay. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite cappuccino monkey. Okay, let's go. Which one? Okay. Ooh, this one. Circus ball skates. Oh wait. I can't see. Backpack. Oh, so like they stick on. Oh, that's cool. And I have this one. Whoa, that's so cool. I can. Oh my god, I can fly. Oh, this is cool. Whee. Oh, look, like the cappuccino's just sitting there. Oh, that's cute. Hi, up we go. Hi, up we go. Let's see if we can get to the top of the castle. Oh, it's right there. Okay, what's up? We're getting close, Whoa, we're so high up. I'm so close to like that little ball globe thingy. And put there. Okay, now I just gotta be on it. If I can. Nope. The wind's putting me off course. And let me just and exit out and there. Now I exit. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Let me just maybe. You know what? I'm just gonna go fall down here. Oh gosh. Okay, careful. Okay. Oh, where's my cappuccino monkey? Oh, let me just. Oh my god. Oh, he survived. He survived the crash. Yay. Okay. Now let's open it. Maybe like I'll get the. I don't know. Okay, another hot air balloon. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna go back down. Okay, but go back down. Well, I survived the crash at least. And my cappuccino monkey. Yes, he survived. Okay, maybe like people like go ahead and trade. Maybe here. Let me just Okay. Oh, toy handcuffs! I only need one more. Okay, let me just some more. Maybe like let's see what I get. Toy handcuff. Oh, just uncommons and commons. Maybe new hospital. Let's try it. Like maybe on top of this. Maybe this will help. Maybe this will help. Like, I hope this will give me something. Okay. Oh, just another hot air balloon and a common. Oh well. Maybe like I'll try back in the 10. Maybe that will help. I do love the Circus music. Where is it? Oh, they may have it on. One more. Okay, let's make some more of these. And let's see what we get. I finally. I finally have enough to make an inmate. Yes. Oh, they're guilty of looking adorable. Okay, it's so cute. Look, it's like peeking. So cute. It's so cute. Okay, but still, I need to at least get, I don't know, like a tutu or a compass or like the royal cappuccino monkey. I have to at least get those. But after that, I think I might sell dogs. Let's see what I get. But I have to take care of my poor, sick inmate monkey. It's okay. Dr. Hart will help you. Do you have something to say? Okay. 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 Come on. Come on. Don't worry, we're gonna take care of you. And we're here. This way. And hello, Dr. Hart. Can you help me? Can you help my poor sick monkey? We'll just grab some water, just in case we need it. If he feels spicy. Oh. Okay, come on. Oh, yay! Okay, maybe this. Oh. Let's see if I get some in here. Nothing. Okay, let's try again. Let's see what I get. Okay, uncommons. Okay, let's try again. See what I get. Nothing. Maybe let's go to a pizza party where my tasks are. Maybe like if I do a task, maybe I'll have bad luck. Or maybe the pizza party. I don't know. But let's go try. I'm gonna try all of these. Well, not all of them, but I'm just gonna try. Okay, and here we are. Okay. Oh, I only have one. Oh, let's see what. Anyway, since I'm right here, I think I'm just gonna go and let my cappuccino play. while we wait for my cappuccino to finish, guys, oh, would you wait this? Make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe to my channel, Sanrio 16 Arts, okay? Make sure. Besides all, okay. We're back and we're here to buy some more. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Oh, just one comment. Okay. Maybe this one. I feel very lucky. Oh, we got the tutu. Oh yes. Well, I did say like I would end this video once like I'll get it, but I still want to box some more because like I feel very lucky because like I got a tutu, which like it's a legendary. Okay. Ooh. Huh. I haven't seen this one. What does this do? Oh, that's very cool. Besides, I look like a wind. Outfit says so. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, let's see what we get. Come on, please. Oh, anyway, let's buy some more. What you think those monkeys will turn into once the neon? Anyway, I still like this. I still love these monkeys even though we didn't exactly get that much, but it was very fun and very cute. Anyway guys, make sure to like and subscribe to Sanrio 16. Bye guys!